Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this VitaFit Smart Body Fat Scale. The model is VT701 and it has a lot of great features built in, like Bluetooth connection, essential body metric, and it's syncing also with other apps like Google and Apple and Fitbit, and has unlimited users, baby mode, child mode, pregnancy mode, and it shows you the details of 13 body compositions. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Also, here's some description in the back. And the good thing as well is that VitaFit is one of the big, large, well-known brands when it comes to scales. So here we have it nicely protected, so you can be sure that it will arrive in very good condition. And so here we have it in its full beauty. You can see how nicely this is built. Comes of course with these 4 soft rubber feet to provide a good safe stand. And here we have the battery compartment. It's already filled with the battery, so you don't have to be worried about batteries. We just remove this protection and put the lid back. And here on the back we have also a button where we can switch between the different units. So let's turn it around and we can see it. Really nice, beautiful. And so when we activate it for the first time, it goes into calibration, which we can see with the CAL. What we also get is this nice quick starter guide. Here the Android edition, and here on the back the iOS edition for Apple. We get also a full instructions manual. It's a little bit too much to show you everything, but you can see everything comes in English, French and Spanish. Here we have some details, but I'm going to show you the basics anyway. Of course, we have also a QR code here to download the free app from Google Play or iOS, and that's what we are going to do here. We pick the download which we want, and you can see it brings us to the original app in the store, so you don't have to worry about the app installation. And so after the installation of the app, we give some personal information, so the scale can give us some valuable information back. And we can even choose between the normal mode and the athlete mode. We can add some target weight. Of course, we have to also give some authorization, like the location, that everything is working, so we can connect it properly to the app. And so after turning on Bluetooth, we can click on the plus, go to device management and step on the scale, or use your hands to push it down when we are here like that. And so we have the VitaFit Body Fat Scale here available for connection, and it's already paired. It's as simple as that. And after everything is set up, it's very easy to use. We just put it on a flat surface. Don't use it like on a carpet or so. Make sure everything is really straight and you're using a hard, stable, clean floor, and then step on it with your feet. Make sure that you cover the sensor points here with the right foot on the right side, left foot on the left side. So I try to step on it and don't just hit the front sensor with your toes. The best is really to cover it like that to achieve good results, and then we wait for a little bit. We can see the progress on the scale itself with these circles, and we see also then the update here on the app. If you have selected the normal mode and the app is only showing the weight and the BMI, this will be because you didn't touch the sensor areas enough. And it really gives us a lot of information. We can see what's high, what's standard, what's not good, below standard, and these things. This is really good, and even with color, so you get a really fast impression what's good and what's not so good. And you can do also comparison between the current measurement and old measurements. You can see the progress also here. Of course, you can also click on all the details. It gives you a lot of information where you are and where you should be. And that's for all the body compositions and also for the body index number. Same thing here. So you have 2 full pages of values. You can see that here how much you have. What I really love are the colors here, because with most other apps it's hard to see what's good, what's not so good, and here you get a really fast impression how your current state is. And you can also see the trends here, a lot of trends for the weight, for the BMI, also for the body fat and for the bone mass. You can also retrieve old data here. There's so much I could talk for hours, and of course in the account you can connect it to Google Fit, Fitbit, and on the Apple app you can also connect it to Apple, of course. You can set your goal, manage your members. I have added a couple of them so you can see you have even the different profiles like athlete, pregnant, normal, and so on. And it seems that it's very accurate. Just make sure when you're using it for the first time, you do the calibration. It's described in detail. You have a couple of different options to calibrate. So I think this is very good, very easy to use. So I can give you a full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.